everyone, welcome back to my channel Patialaacademy. Today our topic is mitosis and cytokinesis. So mitosis is a kind of cell division. I would like to tell you that what is the role of cell division. Cell division basically helps the cell to grow it into a full developed body. There are two kinds of major cell divisions. One is mitosis and other one is meiosis. Mitosis is also known as equational division because it helps to retain the chromosome number generation after generation. Whereas on the other side, meiosis is also known as reductional division because it helps to reduce the chromosome number into its half of the number, generation after generation. So today we will discuss about the mitosis and cytokinesis. So as you are able to see the screen, I have prepared a PPT. With the help of this, we will discuss about this process. So let's discuss what is mitosis and its importance. As I have already told that this is a kind of cell division which is also known as equational division, and it helps to maintain the chromosome number equally generation after generation. What is its importance? First point is number of cells increases in order to replace the dead or worn out cells. So it helps to increase the number of cells and replace the damaged cells. Another point is to enable the daughter cell possess the same number of chromosome as the mother cell. So a offspring can have the same number of the chromosome as its parent with the help of mitotic division. Another example is one of the method of the asexual reproduction that involves the mitotic division. For example, budding, vegetative reproduction, etc. So we come to the next slide. There are the different phases of the life cycle. One is the interphase, that is known as the resting phase, that further involves the four phases: G0 or G0 phase, G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. After that, cell division includes four further phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And mitosis ends with the help of the cytokinesis. So first of all, we will discuss about the interphase. Interphase is also known as the resting phase of the cell cycle. At the G0 phase, there occurs no cell division at all. What happens at the G1 phase, as you are able to see in the diagram, there occurs the preparation for the synthesis of the DNA. DNA multiplication process starts at the S phase, replication, whereas at the G1 phase, cell organelles multiply themselves. So at the S phase, which is known as the synthesis phase, DNA multiplication occurs. So what happens after that? G2 phase comes, that prepares for the mitotic cell division as well as the extra membranes multiply themselves. So we come to the next point, that is the major phases of the cell division. This was the interphase, was the resting phase of the mitosis. Now we come to the main cell division phase that further involves the four phases. So first phase is prophase. Prophase, what happens during this phase? The nucleus is present in the cell center of the cell, and at this phase the nuclear membrane starts degenerating. So as it is shown in the diagram, centrosome is formed with the help of two green centrioles that are shown in the diagram, that helps in the spindle fiber formation, and nuclear membrane starts degenerating and chromatin materials differentiates into the chromosomes. So Now we come to the next phase, that is the second phase of the mitosis, known as the metaphase. So this is the metaphase. What happens at metaphase? After, when the nuclear membrane degenerates, the chromatin material takes the shape of the chromosomes and they arrange themselves at the equator line of the cell, that is at the center position, with the help of the spindle fibers. So you can see the diagram on the screen. So this is the metaphase of the mitosis. Third phase of mitosis is the anaphase. What happens during this phase? The upper chromatids of the chromosome goes towards the one pole of the cell and lower chromatids goes towards the another pole of the cell. So there is the movement of the chromatids towards the opposite poles, as you can see in the diagram. There is the splitting of the chromatids and movement is being shown that they are moving towards the opposite poles. Now, fourth phase of mitosis is the telophase, and last mitosis ends with the cytokinesis. What is telophase? Telophase, what happens at this phase? There occurs the formation of the nuclear membrane again, as one nucleus has divided into the two nuclei now, and cytoplasm also gets divided into the two parts but not divided yet. First of all, karyokinesis occur. Karyokinesis means division of the nucleus. When the division of the nucleus has completed, now what will happen? There will be the division of the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm of the cell will be divided into two daughter cells, that is known as the cytokinesis. So you can see in the diagram, earlier there was one nucleus in the cell. So till at the end of the telophase, we are able to see the two faces of the cell. One nucleus at the one end of the cell and other nucleus at the another end of the cell. So at the time of cytokinesis, cytoplasm also divide into the two daughter cells and hence split the cell into the two daughter parts. So with the help of the contractile ring that is being formed in the center, this cell division takes place. So this is all about the mitosis. So one cell is divided into the two daughter nuclei and it helps to retain the chromosome number as it's the parent, generation after generation. So this is all about the mitosis and cytokinesis. So thanks for watching my video. If you have liked my video, subscribe and share my channel please. I'll keep posting different videos on different topics. Thank you so much.